Hello students, today we are going to write exercise 8.5. Question number 1. Find LCM using the prime factorization method. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, so first we will do the prime factorization, then we will find out the LCM. So number 1, 9, 15. So first we have to do the prime factorization. So 9 will come in 3 table, it will not come in 2 table, right? So we will write 3 3s 9, then 3 1s 3. Then for 15, at ones place which digit is there? That is 5. So 5 is not divisible by 2, 5 is an odd number. So we will see in 3 table it will come 3 5s 15. So we will write 3 5s 15. Then 5 will come in 5 table, 5 1s 5. Now we will write the factors. So for 9, 3 multiply by 3. Then for 15, 3 multiply by 5. Now here we have to write the common factor. So common factor is equal to, that is 3, 3 and 3 and 5. These are different. Okay, here in LCM we will write the common factor one time, that is 3 and 3. And the remaining factors also. Okay, so remaining factors which are there, that is 3 and 5, that also we have to write. Okay, so we have to keep in your mind whenever we are doing the LCM sums that we have to write the common factors one time, and whatever the remaining factors which are not same, then also we have to write one time. Okay, so common factor equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So here we will write the LCM is, the LCM of 9 and 15 is 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Now number 2, 8 and 14. So for 8 we will do prime factorization. So 8 will come in 2 table. Yes, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now for 14. So 14 also will come in 2 table. So 2 7s are 14. Then 7 will come in 7 table only, right? 7 1s are 7. Now we will write the factors for 8, that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. For 14, 2 multiply by 7. So now we have to do the common factor. So 2 here same and other not anything same there. So here we will write common factor equal to, common factors we will write one time, then whatever remaining factors are there, that also we have to write in LCM. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. So the LCM of 8 and 14 is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. Now number 3, 6 and 15. So 6 will come in 2 table. Yes. So 2 3s are 6. Then 3 will come in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Now for 15. So at ones place which digit is there? That is 5. 5 is an odd number. It will not divisible by 2. So in 3 table it will come 15. Yes. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 will come in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors for 6. That is 2 multiply by 3. Now for 15, 3 multiply by 5. So common factors. So common factors equal to, so 2 3s and 3 and 3 are same. So these are the common factors. So 3 we will write common factor one time, and whatever remaining factor, that is 2 and 5. So this also we will write in LCM. So the LCM of 6 and 15 is 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. That is 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30 is 30. Okay. Now number 4, 6 and 18. So 6 will come in 2 table. So 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now 18 will come in 2 table. Yes. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is there. 9 will not come in 2 table. It will come in 3 table. Then we will write 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors for 6, that is 2 multiplied by 3. Now for 18, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So common factors. So 2 2 same, then 3. So common factor we will write one time, 2 3. Then what is remaining, that is 3. That also we will write in LCM. Now the LCM of 6 and 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So the LCM of 6 and 18 is 18. Now number 5, 12 and 16. So 12 will come in 2 table. Yes, 2 6 are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 will come in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Now for 16. So 16 when it will come in 2 table, that is 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now we will write the factors. 12, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. For 16, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now common factors. So that is 2 2. Then here 3 and 2 2. Okay, these are difference. So we will write the common factors. Same number we will write one time. And whatever remaining number, that is 3. Then down 2 and 2. So the LCM of 12 and 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, equal to 48. Now number 6, 16, 24. So first we will take prime factorization for 16. So 16 will come in 2 table. Yes, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now for 24. 24 will come in 2 table. Yes, 2 12s are 24. Then 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors for 16. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now for 24. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now we have to take out the common factors. So common factor equal to 2 2 2. So we will write one time, and whatever remaining number, that 2 and 3, that also we will write in LCM. So the LCM of 16 and 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Now number 7, 32 and 36. So in ones place which digit is there? 2. So 2 means even number, it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 32 will come? So 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 1. We will carry down this 2, it will become 12. So 2 6s are 12. So 2 16s are 32. Then in 2 table when 16 will come? 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then at last 2 1s are 2. Then for 36, So at ones place 6 is there. So 6 is an even number. Okay, so it is divisible by 2. So now we will see in 2 table when 36 will come. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 1. We will carry down this 6. It will become 16. So 2 8s are 16. So 2 18s are 36. Then now in 2 table when 18 will come, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 will not come in 2 tables. So now we will move to 3 table, that is 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors. So for 32, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now for 36, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now we have to write the common factor. So common factor equal to 2 2, and remaining are not same, then also we have to write in LCM, right? So common factors, those who are same, that we will write one time. Then we will write 1 2 3, 3 2, then down 3 3. So the LCM of 32 and 36 is 2 multiply by 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 3 multiply by 3 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then also 3 is there, other 3 we will multiply. 3 6 is 18, so 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 1 28. So 288. The LCM of 32 and 36 is 288. Now number 8, 20 and 25. So 20 will come in 2 table. Yes, 2 10s are 20, then 2 5s are 10, then 5 will come in 5 table, 5 1s are 5. Now for 25, so 25 will come in 5 table, 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5. Now we have to write the factors. 20, so that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Now for 25, 5 multiply by 5. Now common factor. So common factor equal to here 5. Okay, they only same. We will write the same common factor one time, that is 5. Then remaining. So in remaining in first line, that is 2 multiply by 2. Then in next line 5. So the LCM of 20 and 25 is 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25s are 100. Now number 9, 18 and 24. So 18 will come in 2 table. Yes, 2 9s are 18. Then 9 will not come in 2 table. So now we will move to 3 table, that is 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now for 24. So in 2 table when 24 will come? Yes, 2 12s are 24. Then 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now for 18 we will write the factor, that is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now for 24, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So common factors. So 2 2 same, then 3. So we will write the same number one time, 2 and 3. Then in first line which digit is left, that is 3. Then in second line 2 and 2. The LCM of 18 and 24 is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 2 3 is a 6, 6 3 is a 18, 18 2 is a 36, 36 2 is a 2 6 is a 12, 1 2 3 is a 6, 6 plus 1 7 equal to 72. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. Thank you.